Welcome back. Summer is almost here in Toronto, and today I'm baking a very special summer dessert, olive oil cake with lemon and thyme. This cake has a subtle taste of citrus and a nuanced flavor of olive oil. I like to have this cake in the afternoon with a cup of tea. Today I'm serving this cake with Genmai tea, and I hope you guys stay till the end for a cup of tea with us and cake tasting. Let's start baking. Before prepping the ingredients, I'm preheating the oven to 375° Fahrenheit. Preheating is extremely important. First, I'll be preparing some lemon candies. Yes, you heard it right, lemon candies. I'm using 1 lemon. Discard the ends. And slice the lemon, creating lemon rings. Remove the seeds. Then I'm transferring the lemon slices onto a tray. I've lined the tray with parchment paper. Sprinkle generous amount of sugar. And bake for around 15 minutes and then broil for 5 minutes. Just be careful, everyone's oven is different and may require different temperatures and time to bake. Next, let's prepare our cake batter. Using a large mixing bowl, I'm cracking the room temperature eggs one by one and then adding sugar. Mix well. I'm using my electric hand mixer. You guys can use your stand mixer or mix using hands. All you need is a good whisk. When the mixture doubles in volume, it's time for the olive oil to go in. Use your best quality extra virgin. This will really make a difference. Good quality olive oil will lend this mature and interesting depth of flavor to your cake. The trick is to add little at a time and slowly keep pouring the olive oil while your whisk gently works to create the perfect batter. Once this is done, I'll be adding the lime juice. Here I have the lemons ready to be zested and juiced. I do not want to waste the lemon zest. From the lemon, I'll be juicing for the batter. So first, I'll be zesting and then juicing it. I'm using 1 lemon first. I think I'll need more. Since these lemons are small, I ended up using 2.5 lemons for the juice. Sometimes lemons tend to be overtly juicy and sometimes they disappoint. So please use your judgment with regards to the number of lemons to juice. Exact recipe is provided in the description below for your convenience. Remove any seeds from the juice and I'm ready to pour it over my egg, sugar and olive oil mixture. Mix everything well. And now it's time for our dry ingredients. I am sifting my flour, salt and baking powder. This step is important because sifted flour is lighter than unsifted and is easier to mix. So it's perfect for the cake batter. Ever wonder why your cake is not light and fluffy? Try sifting the flour. It'll make a huge difference. Now I'm slowly mixing the dry ingredients to the wet. Going too fast will blow away flour and we do not want that. Once the dry ingredients are well incorporated, it's time for the lemon zest. You can zest some more lemon if you need based on the exact recipe. Don't throw away the lemons obviously. You can prepare lemon juice or some detox drink the next day, provided you store the zested lemon in the refrigerator. Here I have my lemon zested and some thyme leaves separated from the sprig. Throw in and mix well using a spatula. I'm not using the electric mixture because the zest may release some bitterness if handled with too much force. Okay, the batter is ready. I've taken out the candied lemon slices from the oven and now it's time for the batter to go into the cake pan. I'm using a 9-inch pan, seasoning the pan with oil and then dust it with a sprinkle of flour. Then I'm lining the bottom of the pan with parchment paper. Even though my pan is non-stick, I like to take these extra steps to ensure nothing sticks. You may leave the lining if you are confident about your oven temperature vis-a-vis the performance of the non-stick pan. My cake batter goes in. And I'm placing the cake pan inside the oven. This will remain in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Once it's done, I'll be checking the cake with a skewer, and if nothing sticks to the skewer, then it's baked properly.
It's perfect.
While our olive oil cake with lemon and thyme is cooling, let's prepare the tea. I'm preparing some Genmaicha. Genmaicha is a Japanese brown rice and green tea mixture and has this nutty taste when brewed. Emma and I just love this tea. I'm using a teapot with an infuser. I'm adding in a teaspoon of Genmai tea and pouring hot water. The water temperature is around 80 to 85 degrees Celsius, which is around 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Green tea should not be brewed at a boiling temperature because high-grade tea has subtle flavor and boiling water may overpower the flavors. I have a tea expert at home, thanks to him. Well, the Genmai chai is brewing for 2 minutes. Let's go back to our cake that has been cooling. I just want to show you guys how clear this is and the benefit of putting a parchment paper as a lining. Here it is. Had I been icing this cake, I would just gently slice a top layer to make it ready for icing, but I'm extremely comfortable with this rustic look and I'm going to just serve it like this with just some icing sugar and lemon candies on top. I'm sprinkling some powdered sugar all over. And placing the candied lemon slices on top. Oh, this smells so good. I just love lemon candies. This is optional. You may have the cake as it is. I'm slicing the cake and serving 2 plates and of course 2 cups of Genmaicha. Let's take a bite.
Yes. So soft to cut through. Wow.
Looks fluffy.
Wow.
It's so fluffy.
So moist. Wow.
I love it. Oh,
Just perfect. And you got some tea ready. Let's take a sip. Oh man, that's just perfect for this cake. It just goes so well.
yeah. I just love the popcornish flavor, nutty flavor of
Yeah.
Genmai. Yeah.
Imagine the summer breeze.
I know. I think Emma and I will go to the patio and enjoy this lovely, delicious olive oil with lemon and thyme cake. 2020 summer special. I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and I love you all. Bye bye.